In the 1980s, hidden deep in South America, lay Los Llanos, a village where nights were never truly silent. One night, young Damaso woke to screams from the cattle shed. He ran into the storm, only to find bones, stripped clean, gleaming in the mud. And then it came, a whistle, low, hollow, not human. Lightning flashed, revealing a figure taller than the trees, a sack of bones clashing against its back. El Silbón, the whistler, had come for him, but before death could take him, a dog barked. The whistler vanished into the night. They say he was once a cursed child, doomed to wander forever, carrying the bones of his victims. And if you ever hear that whistle in the dark, remember, someone, somewhere, is about to die.